all been probably wondering why I haven't posted for so long. And to actually show you what I'm doing, I need to go run downstairs real quick and grab it. Okay, back. See if dream could be that speedrun. So, got NASA Artemis Space Launch System. Looking for sale scale on how big this is. It says Kermit the Frog and a destroyed spaceship compared to the box. I'll get back once I'm finished opening this. Okay, kinda late, so I'm gonna hit the hay. My phone automatically turns on the flashlight, so it'll just be late. Okay, good night. And good morning. I think I finally got the tower finished, and, well, let's just say, thing's wobbly as heck and it's around 2 feet tall. Oh crap, that's bad. Crap. Crap. Big ol', make sure this is secure. Now I just have this shuttle left. The entire reason I bought the thing. Email popper and the bags have been there. Why? What is wrong with me? So see you once I get that finished, or maybe some other time. And don't just pretend that isn't there. Day 2 is over, so time for a bit of a nap. And good morning. Yeah, I didn't bother to turn my light off. So, yeah, day 3 of building the Artemis rocket. So I actually was not done with that, and my flashlight's on because I forgot to turn off my lights. Spilled a popsicle there because I forgot it was there, and don't remember that shark eating pizza. And yep, we got Sound 5 rocket model. Oh yeah, that's that came free. Yeah, but got that, and I wasn't even done with that, and it's already bigger than the rocket itself. But yeah, I wasn't done with this thing when I said it was. I was, but yeah, go to a graduation party, and then I will go over the play features. I mean, besides from this thing being actually able to go in the air, but I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah, good. I'm finally done. After 3 days. So, yeah, now we're going to review play features. So, apparently that's a mistake for the time to orbit. It's closer to 8 minutes. It says 3 minutes 40 seconds. I bet they'll change this in the future. But I want to buy it now before they change it. If they even change it at all. You know what am I saying? But I mean, we're going to do play features. I didn't put the satellite here because I put it in the rockets. And that's one of the play features. Just cuff this. Oh my god, this is hard with one hand. Oh, I'm getting it. Okay. And boom. Just take this top part off here. That. Get this on. And there's the satellite. And you can fold it out. This takes so long. Oh crap! Dang it. I had to do this all with one hand. In there, and then you can just pop it right in there. If I can even get it in. let me get this real quick. And got it. Finally. Put that back. Oh, wait. Also comes up with this you can put there for when you don't want the satellite in there. Because things where it's this part right there. I'm staying up. Yeah, basically, look at my fingers. There. Ooh. I'm gonna put this back in by hanging it in there and then attaching that. But you can also take off the boosters. Like that. Boom. Can take them off, but also can put them back on. Put them back on. And then to this. Really show it off. I do need to put this back in. And fix something real quick. And fixed it. Oh, that sucks. Okay, just get that back in there. Only have to on one hand to do this at a time. And then we're just gonna move these out of the way. Let's get this. Then we can put this on right there. Then you do want to attach these here onto the side by one stud only, they said. So the instructions said. And there's all these things here, you see? And then you just slide them right there. Cool. And launch people. Get people into Orion. You just... Okay, I do have the door there on that side. Put that right there. Boom. Then if you want, you could just be an absolute psycho murder everyone in the area by taking it out when it's here. What's wrong with me? Anyway, yep. I'm gonna take it out. Put only back. Take these off, and just move that back. And you go. I'm keeping it in here for now. Also got an elevator there, which is pretty cool. Also got staircases leading into them right here. Also one on the other side, and then one right here to even get in. You're supposed to be down, and this is supposed to be center. And there's the door. And then I also got this free set with it, but I don't really care. Perfect. Yeah, anyway. So, let's grab our rocket. Not this rocket, what are you doing here? So, anyway, yeah. Now we just need a minifigure scale of this. In Saturn 5, I wonder how that'd be like. Get out of here, curiosity! But anyway, it's fine. They're here, okay. Time to resort to plan B. Kill everyone.